Good afternoon, everybody, and welcome to Australia Tow Bars and Performance. In front of us, we have a beautiful 2020 Volkswagen Touareg. This Touareg came to us looking for a tow bar, wiring kit, and Anderson plug supplied and fitted. This lovely woman went with a Westfalia Premium detachable and invisible tow bar, along with a vehicle-specific wiring kit, automatically shutting off her parking sensors, working with ABS functions, gearbox, and the other electronic components in the vehicle. Now you can see the Anderson plug mounted out the back for charging your Caravan, and the nice flip-up plug for your wiring. Completely out of its way when not in use. Just wanted to share with you guys what this beautiful vehicle looks like when it's finished with premium products. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our friendly team. We're happy to help. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.